guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mama Review and I'm here with a review on the JOVS Graphene Hair Removal System. This is an at-home hair removal system that you can use from the comfort of your home. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing and let you know what's inside and how to use it and the results that I've had.
Okay, how pretty is this case, you guys, that it comes in? It's such a nice leather, really good quality, such a pretty presentation. This is the JOVS Graphene device. You can see it's a pretty emerald color. This device also comes in yellow. You can also see that these holes are where the air inlets are, so be aware of those when holding your device and using your device. You'll want to avoid those areas and make sure they're not covered. Underneath your three filters is your charging cord, so you'll see that's right underneath there. These are the optical filters. This one is the facial hair removal optical filter. And once you attach it to the device, it'll automatically switch into the face mode. So you're gonna wanna select the appropriate level. It's recommended to start low on level 1 and work your way up. You can use this on small areas like your fingers. You can always switch to the intense mode if you aren't satisfied with your results. Just use caution on sensitive skin areas. Next up is the SR optical filter. You'll wanna select your level and place the lighting head flat against your skin when using this. Lastly, this is the facial skincare optical filter. When you attach to the device, you'll see that the skincare icon is displayed. Okay, next up is the black box, which has in the instruction manual, it tells you exactly how to use your device. You always want to start with shaving the area that you're going to treat. So shave, turn the power on, choose whichever mode that you need to do, wear your goggles, and then begin your treatment. Remember to start with level 1. Wear your goggles during the treatment and don't use this device in bathrooms or high humidity environments. Again, this is the JOVS Graphene Hair Removal device, and this diagram shows you all your components so you know how to use it. Also, you'll see the device offers 6 different modes for different skin types and hair types. Your hand mode for hair on hands, leg mode for hair on legs, armpit mode, face mode for mustaches, and private mode for the bikini area, and lastly, the intense mode. The LCD screen shows you the level, what mode is in use, and the number of flashes. And this area gives you greater detail on the filters and the cooling panel controls. There are also cooling panel temperature controls designed to give you 3 different cooling sensations. The default is on the strong cold, which is for summer use, but there's also a normal cold for winter use and a medium cold for spring and autumn use. This area here in the manual is the skin tone card with the recommended level intensity. Note that the device isn't suitable for skin tone marked with the X's. It's not recommended for white, gray, red, or golden hair colors. It's also recommended that you do a skin exposure test to see how your skin will react to the intensity of the light, so it tells you exactly how to do that. Also walks you through step by step on how to use the device in the manual flash mode. Lastly, you can read up on the frequency of use. It tells you to start out weeks 1 through 4 using the device 3 to 4 times per week, tapering off using it fewer times as the weeks go on. There's also an FAQ and special notes towards the end of the manual.
In the black box, you also get the protective glasses that you need to wear and the rest of the charging cord here. You also get a 5-blade razor. Comes in this package here. Okay, let's get some hair removed.
Okay, let's show you how to use this thing. First up, I'm going to show you how to attach the filter. This is the SR filter, and then I'm going to give you a quick little preview.
Okay, to get this on, you actually want to press and hold the JOVS logo here for 2 seconds. Okay, so this is on and running. You can feel the air coming out here, and then you don't want to block these areas here when you're using it. Also, be sure to always make sure you are wearing your goggles to protect your eyes while you're using the device. So I've been using the JOVS Graphene Hair Removal System for about 3 to 4 weeks. I can tell that my hair is coming in a little bit thinner. It's not as coarse, it's not growing in as much. One thing is, be sure to follow the schedule in the manual and be sure to be consistent. And it is not an instant hair removal, So be sure to keep that in mind. You're not going to treat yourself one time and have no hair. So just be sure to follow the schedule, the recommended schedule, and you will see fewer hair growth. And I'm excited to see the final results after using this for a couple months.